Hi, Facebook friends. It's Amelía here, and I'm at Paige's house, and we are talking food for Rebirth and Renewal. There's some acro yoga going on in the background. You're good? With space boots on. But I'm so excited because we're talking about the menu for Rebirth, and she has this awesome raw food pie, key lime pie. Show them the pie. It's a mini one. That's like, yeah. We're gonna eat this right now, and I can't wait. So we had to ceremonialize the moment. Yeah. Shall we cut it? Yes. We've got some serious moves going on in the background there. Wow. Fly, space girl, fly. Oh, that looks so good.
It's been sitting out for a while.
Yeah, it's getting gooey. Oh my god, but I have to taste that. Look at that. You guys are getting into a pretzel back there. Oh my god. Pretty great. Okay, handle it. While we eat. Enjoy.
Why though? That's what I
Nice. Okay. So this is a key lime pie made with avocado, coconut oil, coconut butter, and local raw honey. And also has some ceremonial matcha to make the green swirls and hemp seeds on the outside. Oh my god. Like it? So good. Yeah, you guys want a bite? Yeah, come over here, everyone. Get a bite. Oh my goodness. Can you grab a fork? You guys want to introduce yourself? We're sitting with some beautiful people here. I'm Laurel. Hi. You'll meet Laurel out on the mountain with us.
I'm Sean.
She's my assistant. She'll be wearing clothes. Don't worry. Or maybe not. It's pretty hot out there. Is it great? It's really I can taste the honey. Yeah. And it tastes like cream cheese, but it's not, right?
Really?
What is it?
Whoa. Avocado and coconut butter.
Oh, wow.
Dang.
Yeah.
That was really good. Whoa.
I taste tested it. That's why it's so good.
I have to have another bite.
Me too.
Yeah. It was like
What's
pudding
on
right
the
now.
bottom?
It's just date coconut rolls. So just dates and shredded coconut.
This is so decadent for Saturday morning.
And freshly juiced limes.
I've been to Cafe Gratitude, and I
Oh my god.
used to make pies, and
You should probably put this on there.
It's
it's so much better.
Oh my
Better
god.
than Cafe Grand.
Can you imagine eating this while you're camping? We're so lucky to have Paige.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Did you get some, Paige?
We're
just
still drinking
destroying
coffee. Yeah.
Hey, everybody.
You're the only one on the camera.
Is anyone watching?
Yeah, we only have one person live with us. Hi, Christy. Welcome. We're just talking food. What are we going to eat on the mountain, Paige? You want to share some of your menu? We've been fine-tuning the menu.
So we're going to be having a lot of vegetables. Hearty veggie soup, big salad, root roast, beets, fennel, parsnips. For breakfast, we're going to be having chia porridge with sprouted oatmeal. And lunch, collard wraps with optional salmon. Tabbouleh, greens, avocado, sweet potatoes. Dinners, we're going to have a raw vegan lasagna, or not raw, but vegan lasagna, zucchini noodles, and Thai chicken curry. Build your own bowls with multiple sauces, breakfast tacos, sushi, stir fry, pancakes, yogurt, granola, quiche. It's going to be delicious.
Yum! I can't wait. So these guys are getting ready for a party tonight. That's why all the costumes. We're in Ashland, Oregon right now. So if you're interested in joining us on the mountain, there's only 4 seats left. Who's the lucky souls? And you only have till next Friday to sign up. So don't dilly-dally, friends. These show us some acro yoga moves. The 2 of you, yeah. For those of you who don't know what acro yoga looks like, here you go. Wow, so graceful.
That's what it's supposed to look like. I was trying to do.
Wow. Does it make you dizzy?
Try some ninjas.
No.
Wow.
Maybe.
I booze my. Wow.
You're good. You're good so far. Wow.
Wow. I haven't even seen you guys do acro yet.
Really?
Yeah, it's the first time.
Oh my god. You're so close to the lake.
I know. I'm just totally doing good with that. Hop. Oh god.
Wow.
Your feet down.
Yeah, watch the light.
The last little fish.
That's awesome. Wow, you make that look so easy. That's Paige, our chef for Rebirth. I think that's it. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Take care.
I